Hi everyone. Today I just finished a lecture at Art Center EDU and we were talking about natural dyeing. I gave a demonstration of Hapazome, which is a leaf pounding technique that's really popular right now. It's really fun to try in spring. You want to use really juicy plants for this, and also test your plants to kind of see what color is lasting. It's just fun to do. I know that marigold is a light fast and color fast source of dye, but I'm testing daffodils here today, delphinium, which I've had luck with in the past, and this is like a brilliant fuchsia. It kind of looks like delphinium, but it wasn't actually labeled at the store, so if anybody knows what that is, leave it in the comments for me. Another plant that works really well for this that I know of is geranium leaves. These are actually the leaves from the delphinium. So to kind of make my color last longer, I used alum, which is a mineral mordant. I went ahead and I pre-mordanted my organic cotton bandana, and in this video you're going to see me working on some different flowers, and I like to kind of fit them together like a little mosaic. So I have a cutting board down so that I don't damage anything when I'm working today. You can also check out my video on mordanting if you're curious how to prepare your fiber to make the color more long lasting. Whenever I do this, I love to place the pieces down like I'm creating a little miniature wearable work of art. So what we're going to do is use some blue tape to tape down the flowers so that they're not moving a lot as I'm hammering. The blue tape is my favorite, but you could use masking tape, whatever you have on hand. I'm going to be tearing mine. Okay, I just don't want them to move, and I want them to be fairly flat. So I'm going to stick them down like that, and I'll just show you. This is like fun to do every spring. Now, I'm growing wildflowers, and I'm hoping to make a couple of videos about my dye garden this year. I'm going to be growing madder root, indigo, cosmos marigolds, dyer's chamomile, scabiosa. These are colors that are known to be permanent, so once those become ready, I'll probably loop back and show you how we dye with those different things. This is like such a pretty purple. I've eco-printed with this purple before, so I like to kind of, some of the flowers I like to kind of open them up, but then this daffodil, I did it from the side, so you can absolutely keep it on its side. I'm just laying out my composition, and I know that leaves look really awesome. So as long as they're fairly juicy leaves, we can basically use the chlorophyll from the leaf to create greens. So we're going to now go in and do some of our greens that we're ready for here. Going to do this part of the composition for now, and then later I'll show you how it turns out. So you're going to see me hammering. I'm not going to talk a lot for this part of the process because I'll be shouting otherwise, but you'll see me hammering here. And I like to flip it so that way you're going to get to see the colors as they appear. And I like to use a really nice heavy metal hammer. It doesn't have to be too heavy, but I found the metal works the best, and you can use this part of the hammer to get your effect. So Hapazome is a Japanese art of flower pounding. It's also done by Australian eco-printer and textile artist India Flint. So let's go hammer. All of the marigolds are nice and bright. I'm really trying to find the edge of the plant, so I'm going to go back through here. You'll see me do a leaf. You'll see me do the other delphinium. Awesome. So now let me flip it around for you here. You're going to see me remove the tape, and you're going to get a clearer picture of how these pieces are looking. Nice. Beautiful. Ooh, the marigold is really bright today. This is the leaf, the marigold, and one more marigold. So it's really quite beautiful. And then I'll show you once I finish the piece. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe. I release videos almost every week on the art of natural dyeing and also watercolor painting. So I'll see you soon.